Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we will explore D-Wave Quantum in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of February, 2025, our system has designated D-Wave Quantum as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it evolves in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $5.33 be breached, it would initially indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 112.65% over the upcoming 3 months, with a projected return ranging from 96.79% to 348.16%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 57.62% over the next 12 months, with a potential return varying from -47.46% to 186.98%. This translates to a price range between $3.03 to $16.53 after a year. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum features the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for D-Wave Quantum Inc. as stock downgraded to sell candidate." On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, the stock price of D-Wave Quantum Inc. decreased by 3.03%, dropping from $5.94 to $5.76. During this trading period, the stock experienced fluctuations of 9.89%, reaching a low of $5.36 and a high of $5.89. Overall, the price has shown volatility during this time, with a gain of 9.3% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume also declined on the last day, which is often a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 21 million shares, with a total of 53 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $306 million and 22 cents. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $11.41, while the lowest was 75 cents. Currently, the stock price stands at 49.52%, or $5.65, below the 52-week high, and 56.46%, or $7.47, below the all-time high recorded on the 10th of August, 2022, when the price peaked at $13.23. D-Wave Quantum Inc. has recently launched a brand campaign titled Quantum Realized, aimed at illustrating the current benefits of quantum computing. This initiative, driven by CEO Dr. Alan Baratz, coincides with a period of heightened interest and volatility in the quantum computing sector. The demand for quantum computing solutions is expected to surge, particularly as advancements in artificial intelligence continue to evolve. January saw a significant decline in quantum computing stocks, which had previously experienced impressive gains at the end of 2024. The sector's volatility raises questions, but it also presents potential buying opportunities as experts identify companies like D-Wave as key players that could ascend in the long run. The firm's aggressive strategies, including the Launchpad program offering free trials and strategic partnerships, could capture more market share, especially in the public sector. In the backdrop, Wall Street analysts predict that certain quantum stocks, including QBTS, could soar by up to 45% in 2025, largely due to breakthroughs such as Google's recent advancements in quantum technology. These developments suggest a bullish outlook for D-Wave and its peers, which could drive long-term investor interest. Analyst ratings on Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley again rated QBTS with a buy grade and an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham also assigned QBT a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, Piper Sandler rated QBTS as overweight with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, Benchmark also gave QBTS a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near short-term development. The stock of D-Wave Quantum Incorporated currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $6.82. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $5.75. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would create an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 43.58%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, trading volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which helps lower the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 19 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 72 days ago. A short-term moving average showed a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 13 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 62 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 66 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.06 and $4.73. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline to the next support. In this case, D-Wave Quantum Inc. has support just below today's level at $5.06. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.73 and $4.68. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band classifies this stock as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 530 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of almost 10%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 10.21%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit levels and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 27th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -9 cents. It's important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum stands at $5.79. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this level could serve as a point of consideration for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum faces its first support level at $5.06. If this support level proves to be resilient, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources indicates a sell recommendation. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 23, 2025, Nguyen Diane executed an insider sale of 383 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On January 23, 2025, Markovich John M. executed an insider sale of 5,582 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On January 23, 2025, Baratz Alan E. executed an insider sale of 8,372 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On January 10, 2025, the Public Sector Pension Investment Board executed an insider sale of 2,778,564 shares of common stock. On January 13, 2025, the Public Sector Pension Investment Board executed an insider sale of 898,580 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 31.836. Overall, insiders purchased 48,123,602 shares and sold 94,961,868 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is negative, and there is currently no stop loss established. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? D-Wave Quantum Inc. presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance is likely to remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Following our analysis of the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of February, we anticipate that D-Wave Quantum will open lower with an expected decrease of 9 cents, starting trading at $5.67. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.